There's a lot of technical information on here as well, so if you are a tech head and you're looking to get into the nitty-gritties, because basically I've just done a 10-minute overview of the basics that you do need to know. That is a staking project, the supply and things like that. But it does say here that NUCYPHER is a cryptographic infrastructure for privacy-preserving applications. So there's a lot of information on this website. It tells you about secrets management, dynamic access control. One main point I want to talk about here is the PRE. I didn't mention that on the Medium page. So PRE is proxy re-encryption. So if you just want to take a quick look at that. So basically it is a proxy re-encryption is a type of public key encryption that allows a proxy entity to transform or re-encrypt data from one public key to another without having to access the underlying plaintext or private keys. As you can see, this is a proxy here, how it is all laid out, and the technical aspects to it. You have a how it works section. I'm not going to go through this because that is going a bit technical, but then you also have lots of information on there about the receiver and the sender. One key point, I will just show you who is running the project here. So it does say that NUCYPHER, we are building cryptographic infrastructure for privacy preserving applications and protocols. Here you can see a list of people working on projects, and then you have the Twitter links and the LinkedIn. So if you're looking to do a bit more in-depth research on the people running the projects, then you can check them out there. And finally, we will just take a quick look at the charts. It is not much to work from really, but as you can see, we only got listed on 11th of December. This is the OKX chart. It does have the most data available. So if we just have a look, really we can't pretty much do any technical analysis, but I just want to see if we've got any key areas to mark up in the daily time frame, just in case the market does allow some buying opportunity. So we just mark this area up here. So that, to me, is a daily level of, which is currently resistance at current price. In fact, we look like we have shot slightly above it, so we'll just change that to a daily. We're not going to get many daily levels here, to be honest. It's going to be right down into a bottom. I think you've got a level there as well, you could say. Very close to being a level. You can manipulate on a little bit. So that is a daily level of support. It does look like we have bounced off that area. I think that's going to be it. Let's just see if we get any more higher up. I can't see it, to be honest. Nothing around there. No, so let's just drop into the let's drop into 12 hours, see if we've got any key levels on here to mark up, and then we'll just work his way down to a 6 hour, potentially for 4 hour. That looks like a level there. If you look at this wick, we actually rejected a fat and rejected a fat, so let's change that to a different colour. Let's say, I don't know, let's go for a dark blue. That's 12 hour there. Let's see if we can get any more around these levels, just in case. I think we've got one there as well. So we actually used support there and we rejected off there. So that's a few levels for us to play with. I'm not going to go any lower than that. Currently, we are trading down here at what you could call that 18 cent. The next levels to target is pretty much very close to 20 cent on the nose. So once we do break above that, then we've got some other levels to target.